What if your entire team could access the same interactive map, with only the information relevant to their role? Using MAPOG, you can securely share interactive maps with internal teams while controlling exactly what information each collaborator can access. Go to story.mapog.com and open the map you want to share with your internal team. Click on Preview and Share. Inside the Map Type section, you'll see two options: Public for public access and Private for internal collaboration. Select Private Sharing. Next, click on Settings and go to Attributes. Select your location type. All available attributes will appear here. Choose exactly which attributes should be visible to collaborators and hide the rest. Once saved, only the selected information will be displayed to your team members. Now move to the Access section and click Add User. Inside the Provide Map Access pop-up, select Add Member. Enter the email addresses of your collaborators and assign appropriate roles. Admin users receive full access to manage maps, story points, editors, viewers, contributors, layers, and settings. Other users can be assigned as editors, contributors, or viewers based on project requirements. After inviting members, select them from the drop-down list. You can assign multiple members at once and define their permissions. Editors can add, edit, and remove story points and manage contributors and viewers. Viewers can only view the assigned map content. Before sending access, visit Public Map Display Settings. Here, you can control the user experience by enabling or disabling features such as search bar, filters, sorting, playthrough. Customize the map experience based on your team's workflow. Once everything is configured, click Invite. Only the selected members will receive access to the map, along with the permissions you've assigned. When everyone works from the same interactive map, communication becomes clearer, decisions become faster, and projects stay aligned. If you need any help with adding or uploading data, performing map analysis, creating map stories, or map or GIS consultancy, feel free to contact us at support@mapog.com anytime.